Welcome guys, welcome back. So it's been a while since I've been on, and I think it's about time that I do another project and take a video of it, kind of run you guys through it. So since I was last on, I picked up this camper shell down in Texas whenever I was still living there, and I think I want to convert it to kind of like a weekend or outlander so I can go camping in Colorado. Well, what's up guys, it's Josh here. So I'm actually going to be building a bed inside of my truck to walk you through the beginning stages. And so I wanted to make it in two parts so that way I could easily take it out. And so I've kind of beginning to mock up and I've designed on how I'm going to do it. So here's a quick overview of my ideas as of now. I've got a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 6'4" bed with a just a camper shell cap on it. And I've already kind of gotten in here and kind of cleaned up the bed a little bit. And I've gone and put some Flex Seal, white Flex Seal tape over each one of these things, and this stuff is going to be hard to get off. And so I'm still in the design stage, but as of right now, my plan is for this part right here to basically be like, you know, part of my bed. This part right here is going to be it's going to be open. That way I can sit on my bed and work over here on this desk area or tabletop. But you're also going to be able to, I'm going to make it to where, you know, you can extend the bed over and have this whole area as a bed. This one right here, this distance right here is about 32 inches from, well, that's from the inside wheel well, right where my finger is, to the groove in the bed of my truck already. This area right here out in the open is about 20 inches, and I don't remember what this one is off the top of my head. But yeah, so this is where I'm at right now, and we'll see where this takes us. Alright guys, we got an update. So as you can see, I'm beginning to assemble the bed part of it. It's not, you know, all of it's not fully screwed together, but these little U-shaped legs are. Went ahead and decided to go with a height here, 14.5 inches. I felt like, and the mattress that I bought for this is 6 inches tall, and so it'll put me just at the you know, at the lip right there of the top of the bed and bottom of the camper shell. I used Craig pocket holes and glue to hold these bad boys apart. That one over there is basically the exact same. However, I had to mount this bottom bar about. I just went ahead and went 1 inch further that way to leave a 1 inch gap in the bottom to go over these little rungs or whatever you call them in the bed. You can kind of see it from here. There we are. And then went ahead and cut this board out to length. It comes out to basically about 66 3/4 inches from the front over there, which is basically the headboard area, to the foot. Here we go. Alright, so I had to go get some more wood from the lumber store. So here's where I left you off, the 2 cross beams and you know, I guess the, you know, headboard and footboard part of it at least. And right now I'm currently just drilled some pocket holes using the Craig jig on the insides of all of these. That way I could go ahead and mount them on here. Alright, so here's the test fit. I got everything all glued and screwed together. Pocket holes. So it fits actually really good and snug in there. Falls right on the line. Let me show you how close that is. Leave a little bit of room for some play, maybe a handle for my. I'm gonna put a big drawer in here. I'm probably gonna run 1 more 2x4 down that groove, and then run a big drawer going through here. Alright guys, so this is where I'm at right now. So this is a bed frame made just solely out of 2x4 so far. Let's see, the width of it, I've got it at 31 inches on the dot. The height coming from the bottom, I guess, rung is 15 inches on the dot. And the length of this puts it right at about 73 3/4 inches, just over 6 foot. So I'm about 6'2" myself, so it's gonna be kind of a tight squeeze, but it's gonna be kind of hard to lengthen your truck. So yeah, this is where I'm at. I have a 6-inch mattress that's gonna go on top of here, and so that'll bring it up just barely above this. I'm gonna put a big slide-out drawer, about I think some 4-foot sliders. So I can put a big heavy-duty drawer coming out of here for some extra storage underneath this. Right where I'm standing, will be a little section where I could probably fit my mountain bike in here. And then from here this way is going to be kind of like cabinetry table type space. And so yeah, my next step that I need to do is put some more supports in here, because due to the wheel well, I wasn't able to put a bottom bracket, and so I'm going to put some more support on this side. Make sure that it holds me up pretty well. Everything right now is held with glue and pocket screws made with the Craig jig. So here we go. Alright guys, it's about time for a fit test. Let's see how this goes. So there we have it. It's in. I do need to edit it, modify it a little bit more. So it's not sitting flat, as you can tell, because that piece of plywood that I put here to skin the edge, I didn't even think about it, but I'm gonna have to sand that down a little bit more, and then it should look good. So far, not so bad. Let me show you the fit whenever I close it. Fits good. Now remember, there's going to be a 6-inch mattress on the top of that. There we go. Let me show you. Got a little bit of room for handles or whatnot. I remember on this side, I'm going to have a table that kind of goes probably a little bit higher, around right here, and it's going to come out to about right here. So I don't remember the measurement, but we're gonna have a little bit of room to slide in a bike or something. And yeah, so far so good. All right, so here we go with the fit test. Probably shave a little bit off down there, and the reason why this isn't sitting flush is because it's kind of running onto this little ledge, so I'm gonna have to shave off a little more down here. And the angle of this truck bed right here is not a right angle. I've already checked this with a square, it's not my build, and so I'm probably gonna take my sander and sand off a little bit right up here. So I'm probably just gonna mark kind of just the contour of it, and I'll probably just go down about right here. There we go. All right. Oh, I guess one other thing I should note, I did buy this stuff. I'll probably put all the links below, and I'll put up a picture of it on Amazon. So this is just some sealant that I put all the way around. And it seals the tailgate off pretty well. The only place that's not really sealed is like right in this gap. Right there, and I'll show you whenever I close the topper. So I kind of did a little bit makeshift, but it's still kind of open. But yeah, so there's that so far. I already hopped in there and jumped on it. It doesn't move at all, but I do want to make sure I get this right. I'll probably need to put one more screw in right here to pull that in. But yeah, that's where we're at. I can already picture it. Having the drawer that I'm going to do, I'm going to have to kind of take my jigsaw and shave off a little bit of the bottom 2x4, and I want to run a runner down this way and then a runner basically right up against the fender well, and that's going to be the size of my drawers from about right here just about all the way over. And then, well, here we go. One other thing I wanted to note, so I made it simple rectangle because I wanted, you know, it to be easy to put in and out, and when I cut my mattress to size, I am going to kind of go like into there a little bit that way. And if I find it, you know, annoying, or if I think that it'll be better to kind of put some more support back here, I'm probably going to rip some 2x4s and put them in here with some plywood on top to kind of cover this area up a little bit more. It's probably, what, I don't know, 3-4 inches all the way across, but I think it'll be all right whenever, I mean, I'll just, my mattress, when I shove it in there, I don't think it'll be a problem. That, and then it's probably gonna be kind of hidden by these, but yeah, everything's looking good. Okay, so the mattress came in. I ordered a full-size mattress, so this is about 54 inches wide, and then exactly, I think it was 72 inches long. And the 72 inches will fit perfectly inside of my truck, the bed of my truck. So I don't even have to cut the width of it all. All they do is cut the length. And so since it's 54 inches wide, the width of the bed plus about 2 or 3 inches is about 34 inches wide. Will cover just that first section that I've put in. And so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. And I'm probably gonna clamp 2 pieces of 2x4s together right at the length, and yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.